Welcome to our ultimate guide on the top Schwinn bikes you can buy in 2025. Schwinn has been a trusted name in biking for decades, and this year they offer a range of bikes suited for different needs and preferences. Whether you are shopping for your kids, looking for a versatile commuter bike, or want something for off-road adventures, we have got you covered. Let's dive into the 7 best Schwinn bikes for 2025. At the first position of our list, we have Schwinn Jasmine Kids Bike. This bike is an ideal choice for young riders ready to hit the pavement with confidence. This bike is designed specifically for kids with a steady frame that can handle the rises of early cycling adventures. The Jasmine features a 12-inch steel frame which is both durable and lightweight, making it easier for little ones to control. In terms of design, the Jasmine boasts vibrant colors and fun graphics that kids will love. The bike also comes with training wheels that provide extra stability while they learn to ride. Once they have mastered their balance, the training wheels can be easily removed. The adjustable seat and handlebars ensure a comfortable fit as your child grows. Quality is a key focus with this bike, and Schwinn has included a rear Coston brake for reliable stopping power. The front and rear fenders help keep mud and water off, which is particularly useful for messy rides. Overall, the Schwinn Jasmine Kids Bike is an excellent choice for young cyclists, combining style, safety and practicality in one package.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
At number 2, we have Schwinn Koen and ELM BMX style Toddler bike. This bike is a fantastic option for toddlers who are eager to ride with a bit of style. Designed with a BMX inspired look, this bike is perfect for little ones who want to feel like they are part of the action. It features a robust steel frame and a 12-inch wheel size that's just right for toddlers. The bike's design includes a sleek, low frame that makes it easy for toddlers to get on and off. The front and rear handbrakes are designed for small hands, helping to teach young riders the basics of braking while ensuring their safety. Additionally, the Koen and ELM comes with a padded seat and adjustable handlebars to provide a comfortable riding experience. One of the standard features is the removable training wheels, which help toddlers gain confidence as they learn to balance. The bike is built to be durable with a steel frame that can withstand rough use. Overall, the Schwinn Koen and ELM BMX style toddler bike offers a fun, safe and stylish option for toddlers taking their first strides into the world of cycling. Next up at number 3, we have Schwinn Discover Adult Hybrid Bike. This bike is designed for those who seek a versatile bike that can handle a variety of terrains. Ideal for commuting, fitness rides and casual outings, this hybrid bike combines the best features off-road and mountain bikes. The Discover features a durable steel frame with a suspension fork to smooth out bumps and provide a comfortable ride on different surfaces. The design of the Schwinn Discover includes an 18-speed gear system that allows for smooth shifting and easy adjustment to varying terrain. The bike also comes with a rear rack for carrying groceries, bags or other items, making it a practical choice for everyday use. The front and rear fenders help keep you clean and dry, which is especially useful in inclement weather. Quality is evident in the bike's construction with a high tensile steel frame that ensures durability and longevity. The padded seat is adjustable, providing comfort for riders of different heights. Overall, the Schwinn Discover Adult Hybrid Bike offers excellent versatility and value, making it a great option for those looking to tackle both urban and rural routes. The number 4 position is held by Schwinn Hinge Adult Folding Bike. The Schwinn Hinge Adult Folding Bike is perfect for those who need a compact and portable solution for their cycling needs. This folding bike is ideal for urban commuters, RV travelers or anyone with limited storage space. The Hinge features a durable steel frame that folds easily, allowing for convenient storage and transport. Design-wise, the Hinge is compact but steady with 16-inch wheels that provide a smooth ride while maintaining portability. The bike includes a 7-speed gear system that offers a good range of options for different terrains. The adjustable handlebars and seat ensures a comfortable fit whether you are navigating city streets or enjoying a leisurely ride. Quality is evident in the bike's construction with a robust frame and reliable components that stands up to regular use. The folding mechanism is simple and quick, making it easy to store the bike in a car trunk, closet or office. Overall, the Schwinn Hinge Adult Folding Bike is a great choice for those who need a practical and portable bike without sacrificing performance. The number 5 position is dominated by Schwinn Coston Hybrid Electric Bike. The Schwinn Coston hybrid electric bike is a standard option for those looking to combine the convenience of electric power with the versatility of a hybrid bike. This e-bike is perfect for commuters and recreational riders who want an extra boost on their rides. The Coston features a 250-watt rear hub motor that provides smooth and reliable electric assistance. In terms of design, the Schwinn Coston combines a traditional bike frame with modern electric components. The bike includes a 7-speed gear system that allows for manual shifting when needed. The 7.8 Ah battery provides a range of up to 35 miles on a single charge, making it suitable for most daily commutes and longer rides. Quality and usability are key aspects of the Coston. The bike's frame is built for durability, and the integrated LED lights ensure visibility in low-light conditions. The front suspension fork and cushion seat provides a comfortable ride, while the electric motor offers an extra boost for tackling hills and longer distances. Overall, the Schwinn Coston hybrid electric bike is an excellent choice for those seeking an efficient and versatile e-bike. Next up at number 6, we have Schwinn Mikko Beach Cruiser Bike. This bike is designed for those who want a laid-back and stylish ride for leisurely outings. Perfect for beach trips, park rides, or casual neighborhood cruising, this bike features a classic cruiser design that combines both comfort and style. The Mikko has a steel frame and 26-inch wheels that provide a smooth and stable ride on a variety of surfaces. The design of the Mikko includes a comfortable padded seat and wide handlebars that offer an upright riding position, reducing strain on your back and shoulders. The bike also comes with front and rear fenders to keep you clean and dry during your rides. The single-speed design simplifies maintenance and operation, making it an ideal choice for casual cyclists. In terms of quality, the Schwinn Mikko Beach Cruiser is built to last with a steady steel frame and reliable components. The bike's classic design and vibrant color options add a touch of flair to your rides. Overall, the Schwinn Mikko Beach Cruiser bike offers a comfortable and stylish option for those looking to enjoy leisurely rides with a touch of retro charm. Last but certainly not least, finally at number 7, we have Schwinn High Timber Mountain Bike. This bike is designed for those who are ready to tackle rugged trails and challenging terrain. This mountain bike combines durability and performance, making it a great choice for both novice and experienced riders. The High Timber features a steel frame and a front suspension fork that helps absorb shocks and bumps on uneven surfaces. The design includes 18-speed gear options, allowing for smooth shifting and adaptability to various trail conditions. The bike's snowy tires provide excellent traction, ensuring stability and control on rough terrain. The wide handlebars and ergonomic grips offer added comfort and control, making it easier to navigate challenging trails. Quality is a significant aspect of the Schwinn High Timber Mountain Bike. It is built to withstand the demands of off-road riding with a robust frame and reliable components. The bike's design is both functional and durable, ensuring that it can handle the rises of mountain biking. Overall, the Schwinn High Timber Mountain Bike is an excellent choice for those looking to explore trails and enjoy outdoor adventures. And there you have it, the 7 best Schwinn bikes you can buy in 2025. From kids' bikes to versatile hybrids and rugged mountain bikes, Schwinn offers something for every type of rider. Whether you are looking for a reliable commute bike, a stylish cruiser, or a durable mountain bike, these options provide excellent quality and value. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert reviews and bike guides. Thanks for watching and happy cycling!